My experience with Greg Sisson and his team goes way back. I've known him for a long time through mutual friends, the Taylors, and they are wonderful people, and as well as I go to church with Greg, so there is a personal relationship as well. But I have actually had to sell a home, and within a year turned around and bought a home. Stephanie Sisson helped me buy a home, build a home actually, and I've been in that new home for about a year now, and it was just, from both sides of the buying and selling process, hands down the most seamless, effortless process that I could have ever hoped for in the building and the selling. It was joyful, actually, if anybody could say that with buying or selling or building a house. It's just, there were no hiccups, there were no challenges. They handled everything, and their whole team, from the front end to the back end, the admin, they all handled it with professionalism, honesty. They're passionate about what they do, and they really, I felt like, an advocate for me.